Hi, I'm Brent. I'm a president at my company, and my rating for Excel is a 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. Before I was using Microsoft Excel, I guess there's two answers. One answer is I was using Lotus 123 a million years ago, so I'm a long-time user. And otherwise, I was using Google Sheets. And just Excel is better. So the reason I chose Microsoft Excel is for its ease of use, its ability to scale up in power, to use features such as pivot tables, conditional formatting, formatted tables, and also the incredible collaboration capabilities that Office 365 has with it. So bringing Excel into the business was actually super easy. Most people already know it as a spreadsheet program. We just, if they didn't have it or didn't have it on their system, you could use the online version, the web version, for almost fully featured, and only need to come into a desktop install from an IT perspective. Even the desktop install from the IT perspective was super easy for most people. Very little support was needed. So it was a smooth transition. So advice and recommendations for anybody getting Excel, for your company, for your team, please get a little bit of training. It could be online research, just have them look into VLOOKUPs, have them look into pivot tables, conditional formatting, table functions, and sum ifs. Like just those basic things will allow them to really fully utilize Excel. And you'll be very happy that they have this as a tool.